So we're going on a street food tour. Should be cool.
I am made to be free.
Houses you can see there, including the huge church that confirms the colonial town of Guapulo.
Sorry. Oh, very much.
Yeah, you should. He lost an eye, so you can see that his right eye, if you look closer, has a puncture.
We just took this little bus. You can see smoke from the street stalls down there.
Called caucaras. Caucaras are not exotic at all, they're just plain meat. But they're actually pretty tasty. You normally eat them with these things next to them. They're called yapingachos. Yapingachos are potato cakes. They're basically mashed potatoes and then fried. They're super tasty. Actually, one of my favorite Ecuadorian dishes. Tripas in Spanish. That's why we call them pancakes, tripas. No, there is a reason why people eat intestines. Like, that's how they look after.
Morochito, empanadas Morocho.
Normally,
So we got samples from all the booths, or a couple of the booths, and then we were set free. And I decided to go back to one of them where we got a sample of the meat and get a full plate. So it comes with this like mashed potatoes thing, salad, and the meat for $2.75. Looks really tasty. I'm excited. We're grabbing a coffee. Pretty cool in here.
It was way better than I thought it was going to be, actually.